Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today is day 6 of the baby's food chart. Today for the breakfast we are going to give egg banana pancakes. What we are going to do here is we are going to combine the egg and the bananas to make pancakes. Here my banana is too small, so I am going to use 2. If your banana is big, go for 1. First mash the bananas well. We have mashed the bananas, set this aside. Now let us break open 1 egg. Beat the egg well. Now let us mix the egg and the bananas. I am going to use few drops of vanilla essence. If you want, you can avoid it. Instead of vanilla essence, you can also use cardamom powder. So the batter is ready. Now pour some ghee in a pan and pour the batter thick. One side is ready. Let us flip it. The pancake is ready. We can take it out now. You can serve this with some honey. Give a try. This will be soft and definitely your baby will love this. This you have to give around 8 o'clock. Moving on to the snack, we are going to give carrot fingers today. I need a medium sized carrot for this. Peel the skin. Peel the skin and cut it lengthwise. Carrot pieces are ready and I'm going to simply saute them in salted butter. I'm using salted butter here. If you're using unsalted butter or ghee, add some salt. Now I'm adding the carrots. Saute them till it is soft. This will be soft now. This is ready. You can take it out. Along with the carrot sticks or half an hour after the snack, you can give milk. I'm going to give dates milk. For this milk, you need date syrup, and for the date syrup recipe, you can refer day 1 video. The link for the day 1 video will be given in the description. Here we have taken 1 small cup of warm milk. To this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of date syrup. Give a nice mix. So here is our dates milk. For the lunch we are going to give mixed vegetable rice. Take 2 tablespoons of parboiled rice. To this add 2 tablespoons of tur dal, that is split pigeon peas, a pinch of cumin seeds, 1 small carrot and 1 small beans, to this add 1 small potato, 1 small piece of onion and half a tomato. Now let us transfer this into a pressure cooker. To this add a pinch of turmeric powder and a pinch of salt. Avoid salt if the baby is less than a year. Add 1 cup of water to this. Add 1 garlic clove. Now let us pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. This is ready now. You can either mash it or blend it in a mixie jar. This is ready now. Serve this with ghee if needed. At around 4 o'clock in the evening, we are going to give snacks. For the snacks, I am going to give papaya today. You can give any kind of fruit. If you want, you can give a small glass of milk here. Otherwise, you can straight away move on to the dinner. For the dinner, I am going to make finger millet porridge. For the sweetness, I am going to add jaggery. I have taken 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Add a little water and dissolve it. Set this aside. Now in a pan, take 1 tablespoon of nuts powder and 2 tablespoons of ragi flour. And if you're not familiar with the nuts powder, please refer the day 1 video. To this, let us filter and add the jaggery water. Give a nice mix. By adding little water and mixing the powder, you can avoid lumps. You can see that there are no lumps now. At this stage, you can add 1 cup of boiled milk. Give a quick mix. Once you have mixed well, you can keep it on the flame and start stirring this. Stir this continuously to avoid lumps. You have to cook this in low to medium flame. This will get cooked quickly. You can switch off the flame when you attain this consistency. Let this cool down completely. Once it cools down, you can transfer this into a bowl. If you don't want this to be too thick, you can add a little milk. Finger millet is a very special millet because other than fiber, it is rich in calcium. With this, day 6 is over. Meet you on day 7 and don't forget to subscribe our channel.